Hello traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Good to be here. And as you know, I am with you for the next 45 minutes roughly, guys. All right. So yeah, get as many questions as you can over to me in that time, and I'm happy to answer all of them, most of them. Yeah, we'll try and get as much done as we can. It's going to be a little tricky, guys, because we have a lot of news during this live stream. Yeah. So let's look at that straight away. So we've got the euro. Yeah, we've got the interest rate of the euro coming out in 12 minutes at 1:15. So obviously huge news. Yeah. So we've got to be aware of all of this coming out. Yeah. So you know, it's been a case today of just waiting for news. I haven't really been able to take any trades. And then, you know, at 1:30, as if this wasn't enough, we've got all of these 3-star ratings coming out of the US. So imagine the euro US dollar for the next, 30 minutes. It's going to be pretty crazy. And we'll look at that reaction. Okay, what we'll do, guys, as usual, we will look at the reaction only, not look at the news, look at the reaction, and then we'll predict what the news was. All right, and we'll do that for both pieces of news. So yeah, we've got the interest rate decision of the euro. So the ECB, they're looking to keep interest rates the same. Okay, so this is obviously very important. And then we've got core retail sales, initial jobless claims, PPI, and retail sales. Okay, so again, yeah, super busy news. I think this is the busiest news live stream we've ever had. So yeah, guys, there you go. We're going to keep an eye out for all of that. All right. Yeah, good. Let's see who's in the house. Right, here we go. Aussie Primer. Here we go. Hi, Tom. Hi, Aussie. Aussie Osborne. Probably not, but you never know. Brett, afternoon, Brett. How are you, mate? Kevin. Hiya, Kevin. Liquid. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, Liquid. Coprod. I'm doing good today, my friend. Coprod is back in the house. Barmy Boy Pappy. Afternoon, y'all. Are you from the deep south? Maybe not. These I make a lot of assumptions based on your names and what you write, and most of them are totally wrong. Denny, how are you? Sitting on hands today. And Hamid, hello, Hamid. South African. See, totally off. South African. Okay, cool. I've never been to South Africa. I'd like to go. I would like to see Cape Town. I would like to go on Tabletop Mountain. That would be cool. Okay, guys. Yeah, hello, welcome. Tater Tots, where have you been? Where have you been hiding? Welcome back, guys. Good to have you all here. Let's start. Saman, where are you based? I am based in Dubai, guys. Yeah, originally from London or just outside London. And I live in Dubai. It's far too bloody hot at the moment. Ironically, I do not like the summer. Yeah, I prefer the winter now. Colin, how are you, mate? Good to see you here. Imaginary, feeling strong like US dollar. Good. We like this positive mental attitude, Imaginary. So, guys, as I said, it's pretty much littered with news today. So we'll try and fit in as much analysis as we can. But it's going to be a lot of, looking at news and reacting. A trade I really wanted to get into, either the S&P or the NASDAQ, both give us nice entries. Yeah, it was one of our trade ideas for today, if you remember, guys. Yeah, from my morning analysis vid. Yeah, we're in an uptrend. We're at this really nice level of support. We're getting buying candles. Yeah, we wanted to buy the S&P back up to here. Okay. And I would have normally gotten in on this trade. Okay, because I really like this candle here. Yeah, this green candle here. So we're in an uptrend. What I really like is that we've already broken these highs. Yeah, so I like that. And we got a retrace, and we got this bullish H1 candle, and it was bouncing off the moving average 20. Yeah, I liked this candle very much, more than I like Gal Gadot. I'm trying to think of another thing I really like, more than I like beer. So, you know, I normally would have entered this, guys. Yeah, entered here, you know, put my stop, you know, give it a bit of room, probably move my stop to down here, you know, and take price up. And so far, so good. But I didn't take it. And I explained this in the VIP Discord channel. I didn't take it, guys, because it's just too close to news. It was only like, you know, it's only literally 3-4 hours away from the news that's going to come out in 20 odd minutes. So, yeah, couldn't trade it, to be honest with you. It was the same with the NASDAQ, guys. Yeah, very obviously these are highly correlated, very similar trades. Yeah, both American indices. But again, we got the break of these highs, which I liked. Then we got the retrace candle. This one here, and a nice bullish wick. Let me get my, this one here. And look at wicks. Yeah. If I leave you with anything today, guys, look at wicks. Look at wicks. Yeah. Big bullish wick, price goes up. Big bullish wick, price goes up. Big wick, price goes up. Wick up, you get the gist. Okay, so keep an eye out for them if you want confirmation of a trend or even an entry like it would have been today, guys. So again, I would have entered here, stopped down here somewhere, looked to take price up. But, you know, too close to news. So we're not in S&P or the NASDAQ for those reasons. We was keeping an eye on the euro yen. Yeah, because again, the day chart, we're seeing this, you know, lower highs, you know, not lower lows, but potentially a downtrend stroke range is what we're seeing. All right. And I also like this bearish candle. The idea was to come down to here. H4 we liked. Yeah, we had a H4 break when we broke this low. Okay. And this is where we are currently. And then we also had, you know, a couple of nice H1 candles. Yeah, this candle here. This candle, no sellers are here. But again, as you know, in 6 minutes, we've got Euro news. And this could go bang or bang or bang, bang. Yeah, all technical terms. Bang, bang. It could whipsaw. It can basically do whatever the hell it likes on the back of this Euro news. We have no idea. Yeah, and any of these, you know, anyone who tells you, I think the news is going to do this, do not listen. Yeah. If I said to you now, I think on the back of this news that's coming out, I think Euro Yen is going to do this. Yeah, say, shut up, Tom. What are you talking about? Nobody knows what's going to be the reaction to this news. No one. Yeah, maybe a select few people who are going to release the data. Yeah, but that would be inside trading. And if you do know those people, you know, yeah, that's inside trading. But nobody knows. Yeah, it could do this. It could do whatever it likes. Okay, so we just have to let the news come out, look at the reaction, and then trade afterwards once the dust has settled. All right. Right. Who else we got in? Investing with Ian. Where have you been? Feels like we haven't seen you for a while, Ian. I used to live in Kuwait. Oh, okay. And was damn hot and humid. Yeah, 55 in the summer. Now living back in the UK. All right, interesting. I haven't been to Kuwait, but I've got a friend who does business there, and he was like, yeah, it's even hotter than here. So, yeah. Angus D. How are we, Angus D? What? We all. Afternoon, Tom. I'm Sorry about that pronunciation there. I took your advice. I'm out of my trades. Wait until an hour after the news. Yeah. Otherwise, you're just gambling, Angus. Yeah, you're just gambling. News can do whatever it likes. Look at that CPI reaction yesterday. Yeah, do you remember the CPI from yesterday? Remember on, let's look at US dollar yen. Look at that for a reaction for news. Yeah, that was the hourly candle. And that was the CPI news yesterday. Trade that if you dare. Yeah, that wasn't a challenge, guys. Yeah, but look, you know, not tradable. Yeah, it whipsaws. It would have maybe taken stops out. It did actually take my stop out. Whipped up here. Maybe, you know, people started buying up here. And now look at it. It's come crashing down. Yeah, don't trade the news unless you know what you're doing. Yeah, that's different. I know some people who trade news very successfully. Yeah, but they're waiting on what's said in that press conference later. Okay. Colin, yeah, Angus D. Yeah, exactly. Bang, and the stops are gone. Final thoughts with Ogieva. I apologize for my pronunciation. How are you? Roland, Yasfal, CJ. Yeah, how are you all, guys? Much ado about nothing. Yeah, what do you want to talk about? We've got 2 minutes before the news comes out. What would you like to talk about? Let me know. Yeah, football. Anyone like football? Yeah, Liverpool are playing this weekend. Can't remember who we're playing, but the early Saturday afternoon kickoff for all you football fans. So yeah, we've got 2 minutes until this news comes out, guys. Oh no, we haven't. We've got 9 minutes. Okay, don't talk as much. Oh no, we haven't. It's 1:15. Let's just refresh this. Yeah, we've got 1 minute, guys, until this news comes out. All right. So yeah, football. What else you into? Traveling? Where have you been in the world? Where's the coolest place you've been? Silver, euro, Aussie dollar. Okay, we'll look at all of these just after the news, guys. All right, just yeah. What are your thoughts on move of big players to Saudi? Okay, Angus, good question. Yeah, totally untrading related, but yeah, nice little payday for all of them. Yeah, so the whole Liverpool midfield went to Saudi. And you know, if you're a player in your twilight years and you're being offered, you know, £500,000 a week, you know, who can blame you? Yeah, I don't agree with like Mbappe or Neymar. You know, players in their prime going. Yeah, they should stay in the, you know, the leagues where that mean more. To be honest. Right, guys, 20 seconds. We are going to look at the euro against the US dollar, right? This is the euro US dollar chart. This is the hourly chart. So don't look at the news. Nobody look at the news. You're not trading the news. You shouldn't really be in a trade if the news is coming out. So let's just wait for the news, and we're going to predict what the interest rate decision was. So far, we are seeing euro strength. Now we're not. Yeah, welcome to the news. Trade that if you can. Now we're seeing euro weakness. Let's have a look against other euro pairs. Let's look at euro yen. Okay, so euro weakness. Yeah, lots of euro weakness. If we look at euro US dollar. Okay, so this is, yeah, lots. Okay, so all hell is breaking loose. Okay, so guys, yeah, lots of weakness in the euro. So if we were all to, you know, predict, I haven't looked at the news yet. If we were to predict what the news was or is, then, yeah, we would say that the euro, the interest rate was worse than expected, or the deposit facility rate was worse than expected. Yeah, one or the other. So what we're going to do, guys, sorry, I've lost the live chat for some reason. Oh, okay, so let's take a look. So I'm going to say, yeah, that's euro weakness. So maybe worse than expected. What the hell is going on? Yeah, what the hell is going on, guys? That is why we don't trade the news. Yeah, the deposit facility rate is better than expected. The interest rate was an extra 25 basis points increase on what they were expecting. So on the back of this news, we should be seeing lots of euro strength. Yeah, that's just common sense. We should be seeing euro strength, and we're seeing this. Yeah. Good luck with trading the news, guys. Yeah. Crazy. So, yeah. Brett, couldn't put it better myself. Madness. Yeah. Why are we seeing this euro weakness on the back of that news, guys? Let's just check it against a few other currency pairs. Yeah, just euro weakness across the board. Yeah. Okay, answers on a postcard, guys. Why is that? I'm just trying to look back at the news again. There might be something in the policy statement. Yeah, obviously there's lots of information in here. So the actual policy statement, there may well be something in there that's driving the euro down. And also, guys, we need to be aware of this press conference later. So although the euro is tanking, is weak at the moment, all of that loss or all of that weakness could be quickly turned around once the head of the ECB starts speaking in this press conference. It can then go flying back up. All right. So although we've had the interest rate, announced, it's all about this press conference here in 26 minutes, guys. All right. So yeah, you would not have expected euro weakness. I'm quite speechless, flabbergasted, and this is why we don't trade the news. Right, who else have we got in? So, SMV, King Midas. Yeah, everyone's laugh out loud. Everyone's smiling. Yeah, don't trade the news, guys. Yeah, this is a shining example of how we do not trade the news. I'm going to be staying up. Yeah, stay away from the euro, guys, until, like I said, this press conference. Yeah, this press conference here, until this is finished, they normally last about 20 minutes. Until this is finished, yeah, don't touch the euro, okay? Because things in there, basically people trade on what is said in that press conference. They're looking for key buzzwords, and when they hear it, they will sell, instantly or buy. Yeah, so yeah, wait for that. Right, let's have a look at a couple of trades like that you wanted to look at, guys. Yeah, we've got a bit of time before the next bit of news, so let's take a look at a pair. Yeah, and guys, yeah, it could be a million different things. Yeah, again, the truth is you don't know why it's done this reaction. Yeah, you'll have every analyst and every fundamental analyst and his friend tomorrow saying this happened because of this XYZ. Yeah, they won't tell you before the event because they have no idea, but they will make sense of this tomorrow. But then, that's no good for us. Yeah, we're trading today. We don't want to know what happened yesterday. Yeah, if I knew what happened yesterday today, yeah, I'd be a multi-millionaire. All right, guys. So I saw some trades from earlier that you wanted to look at. So what was one of those, guys? Okay, Euro Aussie dollar. So Yusuf, you wanted to look at Euro Aussie dollar, and we'll also look at silver for Rulain as well. So let's take a look at Euro Aussie dollar, guys. We have got, when's the next news coming out? At past. Yeah. All right. We've got a few minutes to analyze this, but again, there's no point analyzing Euro Aussie dollar because I've just thought it's all about Euro news. So let's take a look at silver for Rulain. We don't normally look at silver. It's normally gold, gold, gold. But let's take a look at silver. All right. And let's do a top-down approach together. Or I'll do this one because we've only got 9 minutes or so. Okay, so let's take a look at silver, guys. Silver, yeah, on the weekly chart, just looking at that price action, that would have caught out a lot of people. Okay, imagine you started trading here. Now imagine you started trading. Let me go back in time. Yeah, this is what I mean. I just look at that chart and I think that's trouble for people. Yeah, because let's imagine you're here, guys, on silver. Yeah, I've just gone back in time. I've gone back a couple of weeks, right? Let's say you're here on silver and you are here. You would be saying to me, Tom, I am going to sell the living daylights out of this. Yeah, we've got lower lows, starting to see lower highs, and I would be brilliant. I totally agree with you. I think we can take price back down to these last lows. Yeah. You know, and I hope you would think the same. Yeah, that would be a very good trade. Yeah, let's play this along slowly. This is going to tell you how difficult this price action was. Yeah. Okay, we're still thinking, no, trade's good. It's going to come down. Okay, maybe I should speed it up a little bit. Bang. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Now you're thinking, okay, we're back in an uptrend. Yeah, we've got higher highs. Maybe this lower low would put you off, to be honest. But this would be, you'd be thinking, okay, we can take price, just take it up a little bit to these highs. Yeah, carry this on. If people haven't lost their shirt on silver with this price action, yeah, and then look, it just... Yeah, and then it's, let's come back to current time. Okay, so yeah, this would have, this lower low, this move would have cost traders, this higher high, this move would have cost traders, guaranteed. But now we find ourselves in a kind of range. Yeah, it started off a bit of a scruffy range, but it is a range, guys. All right, so this is where we find ourselves with silver. All right. So would you trade, you know, from here up to here? Okay, potentially. Yeah, that's potentially a trade idea. But there's a lot of selling pressure here. But having said that, there was a lot of buying pressure here. But for me to realistically look for buys from here, I would need to see a strong bullish candle. Yeah, you know, or even something like this. Yeah, we got a buying candle, bang. We got a selling candle, bang. I would need the same here, bang. All right. Let's go to the day chart now. And on the day chart, we've got such candle. Yeah, remember we're in this range. Let's move this across a little bit. Yeah, so remember we're in this range. And look, we've got this nice bullish candle. Let's draw that again. Haven't had my whiskey yet, guys. Vodka, sorry. Whiskey, doesn't matter. Drink anything. So, you know, again, I bet this has caught some traders out. Yeah, if your stop was just below this daily low, maybe you've just got nipped out here. All right, but looking at that, yeah, you would be thinking, okay, potentially we have got a buying opportunity back up to here. Yeah, so silver's been difficult to trade here. All right, and basically what I'm looking for, guys, what will be interesting is this. So let's go back in time. All right, and let's look at this daily chart. Okay, so if we saw this candle, this would be really interesting, guys. All right, we've got 4 minutes quickly. If we saw this candle, yeah, we're at the bottom of the range, and people said to me, Tom, I'm looking to buy that. I would say, okay, fair enough. All right. But what I would say is wait for a structure break on the lower time frame. So if we go down to the H4, I was just going to check if we had a structure change, and we have. Yeah, here we start to get higher highs. So yeah, I bet this has caught a lot of people out. Yeah, if we go back down to the H1 again, I'm looking for structure breaks, and we get one here as well. You know, so I'm just seeing if it would have caught me out, and the truth is it would have done. Yeah, because we've broken these highs. Yeah, this candle here, we've got higher highs. We now have an uptrend. Okay, even here, we're potentially starting to see new higher lows. Yeah, and we would be thinking, okay, we're taking this up to the top of the range. Yeah, and then let's play this along. Let's do this on the H4. Let's just play this along and see what happens to price action. Yeah, even if you had your stop below that, yeah, you know, you're taking, you know, if your stop's below here, which would have been a reasonable place to put it, if it, you know, you probably would have been stopped out here. So yeah, interesting one. But, you know, I still think potentially, you know, we can trade the bottom of this range back up to here. But again, guys, you know, it all depends on this US dollar news that we've got coming out in 2 minutes. Yeah, this is going to have an impact on this pair right now. Yeah, so we'll keep an eye out for that. So yeah, that is silver. Let's go back to the euro, see how crazy reaction we're seeing so far. Let's go on the H1. Yeah, so still very negative. Yeah, euro weakness. Yeah, let's see what other US dollar pairs are doing. Sometimes that weakness is translated across the other US dollar pairs. Okay, so no, not really. Let's have a look at pound US dollar. Let's get out of this. No, okay. Maybe a little bit of US dollar strength there as well. Okay, so let's have a look at the indices, because those were trades that I was interested in. Yeah, and it's, you know, euro news is not really going to affect the indices. Yeah, but this news in 50 seconds will be. So guys, what else? When you end up 1 to 3%, how do you withdraw it? Certainly, mathematics is not possible. SMV, when you enter, have I got time to answer this? I've got 30 seconds. When you enter with 1 to 3% in order, how do you partially withdraw 80%? I mean, mathematically, it's not possible. I basically look at each trade individually. Yeah, I'm going to enter more than one trade, especially when I'm in a hedge. And each trade I can look at individually and take off 80%. And to be honest with you guys, it doesn't have to be a rigid 80%. If I'm looking at the profit that I'm in, I can take off, you know, 70%, 50% if I think it has further to go. Right, 3 seconds. Let's look at the indices. Yeah, see what reaction the news has. Okay, so again, all right, so negative for the indices right now. Let's have a look at not euro US dollar, because that's a little bit distorted. Let's look at Aussie dollar US dollar. So US dollar strength. All right, US dollar strength we're seeing. Let's look at pound US dollar. Okay, lots of US dollar strength. I daren't look at euro US dollar. This must be like tanking. Yeah, look at that. So it didn't like the news for the euro earlier. Why not? We don't know. Yeah, but it didn't like the news earlier, and now we've got US dollar strength on top of that. So just, you know, just looking at pound US dollar, New Zealand US dollar, again, you know, I'm probably going to end up with egg on my face yet again, but I'm going to say a lot better than expected data. Yeah, on all 4 of those pieces of data. Let's say 2 of them were a lot better than expected. Okay, let's take a look. Egg on FaceTime. They were all better than expected. Okay, so, you know, core retail sales month on month, better than expected. Initial jobless claims, better than expected. PPI, that's a big miss. You know, that's a big beat on PPI. Yeah. And retail sales, that's a big beat on retail sales. So this makes sense, doesn't it? You know, we're seeing lots of US dollar data, better than expected. And we go to the charts and US dollar is flying. Yeah, we're seeing US dollar strength. This makes sense. The world is okay again now. Everything makes sense. That Euro news has just confused me, to be quite frank. So yeah, there you go, guys. You know, US dollar strength, we're seeing that come through. Let's look on them indices, because like I say, I'm still interested on in potentially, you know, buying an indice. But, you know, again, I'm not going to do it now. Yeah, this is proving bearish for the indices. Yeah, let's have a look at the NASDAQ. I'm sure it'll be exactly the same. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for the dust to settle. Yeah, and when I say wait for the dust to settle, let's say the candle finishes like this, we get a bearish candle, but then let's say in a couple of hours time, let's say price comes down here and then we get a bullish H1 candle, I'll still be interested in taking that up higher. Yeah, but not now. Yeah, the news has literally just been released, and every, you know, man and his dog is just, people are just buying on the back of news. People are buying, selling, you know, people are going crazy, hence all the volatility. Okay, so yeah, just leave it all alone until the dust has settled. So okay, let's see if that US dollar strength's retracting a little bit. No, nothing but US dollar strength. Let's look at US dollar Canadian dollar. Yeah, US dollar strength. US dollar yen, US dollar strength. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's the crazy world of news. Right, gold week equals silver week. There is a correlation there. Yeah, I mean, let's just look at the charts. So let's look at the daily. You can see correlations, guys. All right, so let's start with the day chart. So look at gold on the day chart. Yeah, this is gold against the US dollar. Now we're going to quickly flash to silver. Yeah, definitely some correlation there. Yeah, it's followed a slightly different price action, but look, we had this big move up with silver, followed by a big move down. Okay, and of course there's going to be a big correlation because you're trading the US dollar, and so is gold. Okay, you know, and then if we look in gold, similar story, big move up, big move down. So yeah, definitely some correlations. You know, they're both precious metals and they're both pinned against the dollar. So yeah, over time there will be a high frequency of correlation between those two. Right, what else are we going? Mark, hi, any recommendations on brokers to trade via TradingView which allow S&P? Cheers, keep up the great vids. Mark, if you go check out our free Discord channels, this is probably a good time to mention this. If you go check out our free Discord channel, we have got a really good promotion with a broker on there. And they're a good broker. Obviously, we've done our homework. They have tight spreads. They have excellent customer service. Their speed of execution, etc., is all very good. So join our free Discord channel. And if you credit more than $1,000, they will give you $300 trading credit. All right. So if you are interested in that, guys, come and join our free Discord channel. Okay. Also on the free Discord channel, we've got loads of cool things. We've got traders sharing knowledge and ideas. We've got useful links. We've got the analysis challenge. We've got other promotions. you know, we've got loads of cool things on the free Discord, guys. So come join it. The link is in the live chat and the video description. While I'm at it, guys, let's go through them all. Secondly, we've got the VIP Discord channel, guys. Yeah, you do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions about any aspect of trading that you need help with. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. All right. We also have 2 other expert traders sharing their ideas. You get exclusive content every week, and you get access to a performance coach. And we've got some really good VIP members sharing information with each other as well. So come join the VIP Discord. The link is in the live chat and the video description. Also, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, if you want to learn trading, then drop us an email and we'll send you the details of the mentorship program. The email is in the video description. And also, guys, if you enjoy this live stream, you enjoy my analysis vids every day, then you can show your support by becoming a Simply Forex YouTube member. That starts from as little as under $2 a month, and you get some really cool perks. Yeah, some of the packages, you get exclusive content as well. So check that all out, guys. It's all in the live chat and the video description. Also, guys, yeah, if you're new to the channel, then come and subscribe. Yeah, I give you my trade ideas every day. We do analysis together, so come join us. We'd love to have you. And if I could ask everyone to please smash the like button. Yeah, everyone, please smash the like button if you enjoy the live streams. I am going to have a drink of water. I have vodka, sorry, truth's out. I have been doing far too much talking. Yeah, so there you go, guys. Check all that out. Yeah, Mark, check it out. It's in there. We've got some other promotions in there as well. What else, guys? Yeah, what else do we want to look at? Do we have any pairs that people wanted to look at? Are there any pairs you want to look at, guys? No. Okay. Yeah, I support Liverpool, Kevin. Yeah, let's forget trading. Let's talk football. Where are you from? I'm from just outside London, guys. I'm from the UK, just outside London. Right, what else are we? New Zealand dollar, Swiss franc. Miss Healthy FX, thank you very much. So if you watch my analysis vid this morning, this is what's known as an almost trade for me. Okay, because, yeah, on the New Zealand Swiss franc, we are in an uptrend. As soon as we broke these highs through here, yeah, we were in an uptrend. Okay, price has come down. Yeah, this was the place where we were entering, and now price has come back up. All right, we're in an uptrend. Yeah, clearly, and we've got a nice bullish candle. Okay. But the problem with this is, well, you tell me, guys. Everyone, yeah, we're in an uptrend. Okay, we've got a nice bullish candle. Why am I not going to trade this? Okay, so everyone, this is a question for everyone. So please leave your answer and I will take a look. Why am I not entering New Zealand Swiss franc? In an uptrend, bullish candle, above moving average 20. Yeah. Why am I not entering? Okay. So, yeah, good. Okay. So 2 answers so far. Liquid H. Yeah. Denny. Good. Value. Yeah. Also Costas. Good. King Midas. Good. Yeah. It wasn't that. Yeah. Good. Hasn't broken the wicks and value yet. Red flag. Yeah. No value yet. Guys, Marvelous, wonderful, amazing bloody answers. Yeah, exactly. All of the things you said, right? Remember, this candle isn't here. Yeah. Remember, I make my analysis in the morning. Okay. So I'm going to get rid of that candle. This is what I look at. And you're all correct. Yeah. There's a gray zone. Yeah. There's no, it's resistance. Yeah. This is resistance. Yeah. There's no value. Yeah. Because I like to trade back to the last daily highs. And the last daily highs are about a pip away. Yeah. So there's no value here. We've got resistance. Yeah, exactly. And it wasn't able to close above these highs. Exactly. Hasn't broken the wicks. Exactly. No value. Kudos to everyone. Indeed. Yeah. Not closed above the last wick. Exactly, guys. Everything you've just said is all wonderfully, perfectly correct. Yeah. I want to trade it, but I'm not going to buy into resistance. And this last high is resistance. Okay. So today it isn't a trade. Yeah. There's no value and we're hitting resistance. Okay. But let's imagine, yeah, let's go back to real time. Yeah. So we're now seeing this candle. Yeah, this is today's candle. And guys, important point to mention, this candle means nothing to you because it hasn't finished forming. You can only take information from a candle once it's finished forming. So this is the daily candle. This means nothing to you. It hasn't finished forming. All right. But let's imagine we get let's say it finishes like this. Yeah, still not interested. Yeah, we have had a rejection at this resistance. And this would suggest we've got some room to the downside before we come back up, perhaps. Okay. Or let's imagine we get a green candle that looks like this. Full-bodied green candle. Yeah. At this point, I'm all over it. I would look for some resistance over here. We'll have a look in a minute, but I'm all over it. Yeah, we've broken this level. Yeah, I will look for a retrace into here somewhere, a bullish reaction on a lower time frame. Again, guys, everything I tell you is not rocket science. Yeah, you don't need a degree in physics. Yeah, it's just simple price action. We get a break. The break means a continuation of trend. Okay. We're not a million miles from moving average 20, which means we still have a bit of value here. I get a retrace. This retrace represents value, V for value. I try to take it back up. This would be my first target. And then if not higher. Yeah. Simple, effective price action. So where would I look for it? So I would probably look, I'm going to remove this. This is an old level, but I would probably look for this level here. Yeah, take it up to here. Because this is the next piece of resistance. Yeah, it was support once, it was resistance once. So it makes sense to make this a target. Yeah, so that would be my target, guys. All right. So, you know, I also like the fact that we've got some room to move into before the next logical piece of resistance. Okay. And also, guys, a good point here is this. Yeah. Right. No, I didn't mean to delete that. Okay. So this is our target, right? This is our candle. Okay. And this is a bullish green candle, right? Let's say price just retraces to here. Yeah. And we buy here. Okay. We're going to buy here. We're going to put our stop. Just bear with me. I know I don't, you know, I use H1 and H4 for my stops, but we're just going to put our stop below this daily low. Okay. And we're going to roughly get, yeah, let's say we get a risk to reward of, a bit more than 1:1. Okay, just hypothetically, we buy here. So if you're one of them traders that says, Tom, I don't get out of bed for anything than risk to reward of 1:3, or I'm looking for 1:2 as a minimum, or 1:4, then okay, my argument would be you can't take this trade, because your target has to be the next piece of logical resistance or logical support, regardless of what you want your risk to reward to be. So I say this all the time. I said it earlier on in the VIP Discord. Yeah, I think somebody else mentioned it. Actually, Brett, I think, mentioned it. Trade what you see, not what you want. All right. So this target here is going to be my target all day long, even if the risk to reward is only 1:1. Yeah, because chances are you're going to get a reaction here. Yeah. And also, guys, you can always re-enter. Yeah, let's say I keep deleting it. I've got to stop doing that. Let's say you buy here, take profit here. Yeah, chances are it's going to retrace. It will give you another opportunity to buy anyway. Yeah, buy up to it will still be my target. Until it breaks, that will be my target. Let's say it comes down again. This will be my target. Until it breaks, yeah, then I get a retrace. Then this is my target. Yeah, very simple. Very simple price action. Trade where the market is telling you to trade to, and that is support or resistance. Yeah, don't trade what you want. The market really doesn't care about you. You probably know this by now. Most of you probably think the market hates me and it's got it in for me. That's not true, but the market doesn't care about you. Yeah, so trade what the market will allow you to have, not what you want. And on that, guys, we are going to call it a day. All right. So, guys, I hope you've enjoyed the live stream. If you have, please subscribe and also smash the like button. Don't forget about all the cool things we do, the free Discord channel, VIP Discord channel, mentorship program, and Simply Forex YouTube membership, all in the video description, guys. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow for my analysis vid. All right. Have a great day, guys. See you later.